Good evening, children. Welcome to 9th standard or Navama Srenir live quiz re samastanku hearty welcome. Ajira topic hochi countables and uncountables. A topic ta already ame aguru discuss kari sarche. So we'll have a quiz on this. Quiz proceed kariba purbaru ଟିକେ ଆମେ brush up କରିବା subject ବିଷୟରେ and then we'll have the quiz. Okay. All of you please join the WhatsApp group so that tamanku daily session updates, regular discussions, assignments, daily questions sabu milibo. So please join the WhatsApp group. Amara Aveti ro WhatsApp number hochi 789 404 0614. I'll repeat the number again 789 404 0614. Please samaste WhatsApp number note karo or please join the Aveti WhatsApp group. All right. Now Aveti ro spoken English class bhi hochi pilamane. So please tell to your friends and your relatives manku kuho. Aveti ro coding class bhi chaluchi. Seta be very important class. Please pass on the message to your friends and family. And now let's begin the session. Ajiro session, as we said, is about countable and uncountable nouns. So fil tike mein khali brush up kar deba how it is. Okay, uncountable nouns are as simple that which can be counted. For example, singular bhi hai pare or plural bhi hai pare. Jemti dog, friend, book, oranges, apple, table, semti. Now notice karo chua mane that singular verbs are used with singular countable nouns and plural verbs are used with plural countable nouns. Mane jodi tama countable noun ta singular tama verb ta bhi singular rahibo. For example, your book is on the table. Jehetu book singular tama verb is also singular verb. Jodi tamara noun ta, I mean your countable noun is plural. For example, how many pencils are there on the table? So either pencils becomes your plural countable nouns and are becomes your plural verb. So always mone rakho jodi singular countable noun achi ta sangere singular verb jibo a plural countable noun thile ta sange plural verb jibo. Okay, and what is uncountable noun? That which cannot be counted. Jota tame count kari paribani, that is an uncountable noun. Okay, so remember uncountable nouns are always singular and they always use only singular verbs. Uncountable noun ta kebe plural hei pareni. It always remains singular. Tenu ta sangere jo bhi verb thiba, seta it always remains singular. For example, there is no more water in the pond. Eti water ku tame waters bole lekhi paribani. Water is always in singular form because it is an uncountable noun. It is always singular. तो ता संगरे verb टा कौन आसुची is remains your singular verb. जेहेतु uncountable nouns are always singular तेणु ता संगरे verb टा भी सबुबले singular रहिबो. For example, please help yourself to some cheese. Eti cheese is a cheese mane butter hela, cheese hela, curd hela. These are all uncountable nouns. तमे count करि परिबनी. So एटारे तमरो जो verb टा आसुची help, you cannot write helps. You cannot make the verb plural. It has to remain singular verb. So it remains help. So what is the difference? Countable nouns are those which can be counted. Uncountable cannot be counted. And singular जदि तम countable noun ହେଇଛି ता संगे सबुले singular verb रहिला. जदि plural countable noun अछि ता संगे सबुले plural verb रहिबो. Most important thing, uncountable noun are always singular. Hence, they always use only singular verbs. So this is very easy, children. All right. Now let us begin our quiz with simple quiz. आगे आरंभ करिबा तापरे टिके हमें अन्य जिंस भी देखिबा. Okay. Be careful. The water is deep. Here, water is the noun. So please tell me whether water is countable or uncountable. Your countdown begins now. All right. So let me show you the right answer, children. The right answer is water is always uncountable. Ethipai uncountable because water you cannot count in terms of numbers. 1 2 3 4 water एमती आमे कहि परिबानी किंबा a water बोली कहि परिबानी. Okay, an water, a water तमे आइडेंटिफाई करि परिबनी. Hence water is always uncountable. तमे ते पचारिबो ma'am what is 1 liter of water, that again is not countable. You are only giving me a measurement. तमे से water रो measurement मते दोच, weight टा कोच जे से water रो ओजन होची 1 liter, but that doesn't make water countable. All right, children, that is the difference you have to always remember. My mother uses 500 grams of butter in a month. So here the noun that has been given is 500 grams of butter. Now tell me 500 grams of butter is countable or uncountable? Your countdown begins now. All right. So let me show you the right answer now. The right answer is uncountable. Kahinki? Eti to lekha ichi 500 grams of butter. Why still butter is uncountable? Because 500 grams ta ojon ta dekhauchi. Butter ro ojon hochi 500 gram. But tame butter ko gote gote kiri count kari paribani na. It is a mass. ତେଣୁ ତାର ଓଜନଟା ଯେହେତୁ ଦେଖଉଛି, it butter still remains uncountable, though 500 grams ତାଗରୁ ଲାଗିଛି, still butter is uncountable. 500 grams is only giving you the weight of butter. So all those children who have typed in B, very well done, that's the right answer. Now let us see this one. We like the large bottles of mineral water. Now tell me bottles, whether it is countable or uncountable. We like the large bottles of mineral water. Your countdown begins now. All right. So, 80, let us see the right answer. The right answer, children, here bottles is countable. Kahinki? Jettako bhi pani, mineral water bottles thibo, obviously you can count. Maybe 50 thibo, 100 thibo, 200 thibo, so you can count. Hence, a sentence re, we like the large bottles of mineral water, bottles is countable. So all those children who have typed in A, very well done, that is the right answer. Okay, now let us see this one. 80 ଛୁଆ ମାନେ ତମେ ଦେଖ that ଏଠି କେତେଟା ମୁଁ ଫଟୋ ଦେଇଛି, scissors, jeans, gloves and your spectacles or your goggles. ए जो noun ଯାକ always they carry a singular verb. ଯଦି हो ତାର ତମକୁ ଲାଗିପାରେ ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ plural form ରେ ଅଛି. For example, jeans ତମକୁ ଲାଗୁଥିବ jean ଟା କାଇଁ ହବନି, jeans ଟା ହେଲା ବେଳକୁ plural ହେଇଯାଉଛି. So ତା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ verbs plural ହବା କଥା ନାଇଁ. Here jeans is just one item. ତମର ଗୋଟେ pair of jeans ମାନେ ତମର ଦିଟା jeans ନୁହଁ, it is one jeans. Either you say a pair of jeans or jeans. ସେମିତି scissors, this pair of scissors, scissors ଟାକୁ ସବୁବେଳେ ତମେ mention କରିବ pair of scissors or scissors. pair କାହିଁକି? କାହିଁକିନା ଦିଟା ଯୋଡି ହେଇକି ଗୋଟେ କଇଞ୍ଚି ହଉଛି. ଏଇଠି ତମେ ଦେଖିପାରୁଥିବ ଦିଟା ଯୋଡି ହେଇକିରି ଗୋଟେ କଇଞ୍ଚି ହଉଛି. So that is why ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଜିନିଷ ଯାକୁ ଯୋଉଟା plural form ରେ noun ଟା ଥିଲେ ବି they denote one item. ସେମାନେ represent କରନ୍ତି ଗୋଟେ item. ଯେମିତି goggles, goggles ମାନେ ନୁହଁ ଯେ ଦିଟା goggles. ଗୋଟିଏ ବି ଚଷମାକୁ, ଗୋଟେ ବି ତମର sunglasses କୁ ଆମେ କଣ କହୁ? goggles or sunglasses or glasses. So ସେଟା already the noun ଟା ହିଁ in plural. It is not a plural form of that noun. Okay, so ei sobu jagare bhi you have to use a singular verb only. For example, I have a pair of gloves with me. Gloves ଟା ଦି ହାତରେ ପିନ୍ଧୁଛ, ଏଇଟାକୁ pair of gloves କୁହାଯାଏ. Okay, so ଏଇଟା ଯଦି ho gloves ଟା ତମକୁ plural ଲାଗିପାରେ, still the verb will always remain singular. Okay, I have, you can't say I have, মানে তার plural form টা you cannot use. Okay, for example, I have a pair of jeans, you cannot say um, how do you put it, I have a pair of jeans. You can't use an S form there. Similarly, the pair of scissors is very sharp. You can't say this pair of scissors are very sharp. No. Pair of scissors means one item. Tenu ta sangare singular verb ta sabubale singular hiki rahibo, that is. Okay. So now let's go to the quiz, children. Now give me the right option. Look at my new, whether it will be jeans, it is jean or one jeans. So your countdown begins now. Put in the right option. Look at my new dash. ABC ru choose the right option. All right. So let us see the right answer. The right answer, children, is jeans. Look at my new jeans, or look at my new pair of jeans. You cannot use the singular verb, a singular noun like jean, because the noun itself hochi jeans. Eta tame bhaboni je jean ro plural hochi jeans. No, the noun itself is jeans. So look at my new jeans. All right. So all those who have typed in A, well done. Next, this is very important, children. Eta bhi gote bhala question. Give my dash to your parents. Give my dash to your parents. Options are regard, A regards, and C is regards. So your countdown begins now. Okay, give my regards to your parents. It becomes give my regards to your parents. Mane give my pranams to your parents. So eitare always you have to use regards. You can't use regard. Give my pranam to your parents. No, give my pranams, because those words are itself with the S attached to them. Okay, so sabubale they come like that only. So tar usage ta sabubale semti huye. Give my regards to your parents. So I'll show you the right answer. I think I forgot to show you the right answer. The right answer, like I said, is option C. So all those who have typed in C, well done. Now let's take a break. Please, all of you download Aveti Learning app, children, from Play Store. So samaste install karo, and please pass on the message to all your friends and other students जो मैंने अवेती बिसरे जानी नहंती. Please ask them to enroll to Aveti Learning. ନବମ ଶ୍ରେଣୀ ପିଲାଙ୍କର ବହୁତ ଗୁଡ଼ିଏ କୋର୍ସେସ୍ ଚାଲିଛି, ଯେମିତି ଭୂଗୋଳ, ଅର୍ଥନୀତି ବିଜ୍ଞାନ, ରାଜନୀତି ବିଜ୍ଞାନ, ଭୌତିକ ବିଜ୍ଞାନ, ଜ୍ୟାମିତି, ସୋ ଜୀବ ବିଜ୍ଞାନ, ଇତିହାସ ଆଉ ବୀଜ ଗଣିତ. ସୋ ସମସ୍ତେ ପ୍ଲିଜ୍ ଏନରୋଲ୍ କର ଆଉ ଏ ସବୁ ଭଲ ଜିନିଷ ଶିଖିକି ଆଗକୁ ବଢ଼. ଅଲରାଇଟ୍, ନାଉ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଆମେ ଜାଣିବା କଥା ଯେ ସମଟାଇମ୍ସ we don't have to use a singular or a plural. जदि हो से noun टा सब बड़े plural रे धरा जाए, but केतटारे you have to use only the singular. For example, where is my left dash? एटारे options होची pair of slippers, slippers, slipper. 80, please, tame ago try karo, then I'll give you the right answer. So your countdown begins now, children. Please type in the right answer. All right. So let me tell you the right answer. Here the right option is option C. Where is my left slipper? ତମେ ପଚାରି ପାରିବ ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ଆଗ ତ ତମେ କହିଥିଲ ଯେ ସ୍ଲିପରଟା ସବୁବେଳେ ପ୍ଲୁରାଲ ଆସେ ସ୍ଲିପର୍ସ ଆସେ କରେକ୍ଟ when you talk about slippers you mean both your ତମ right and left slipper କୁ ମିଶେଇକି ସେଟାକୁ slippers କୁହାଯାଏ but when you're talking about a specific leg ତମ left slipper ହେଲା କି right side ର then you cannot use slippers you have to say my right slipper or left slipper ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦିଟାକୁ join ହେଇଛି then it becomes one ସେତେବେଳେ ତମେ କହିବ ସ୍ଲିପର୍ସ ବଟ୍ ଯଦି ସ୍ପେସିଫିକାଲି ମେନସନ୍ କରୁଛ ରାଇଟ୍ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ସାଇଡ୍ର କି ଲେଫ୍ଟ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ସାଇଡ୍ର ଦେନ୍ ୟୁ ହାଭ୍ ଟୁ ୟୁଜ୍ ଦ ସିଙ୍ଗୁଲାର ଫର୍ମ ୟୁ ହାଭ୍ ଟୁ ସେ where is my left slipper ସେମିତି when it comes to gloves you can say where is my right glove you will not say where is my right gloves that time it doesn't become plural so ଏ ଛୋଟ ଛୋଟ ଜିନିଷ ମନେ ରଖ ଛୁଆ ମାନେ so that it will be very helpful for you later on even when you're talking or you are writing something okay ଏଇଠି ପାଞ୍ଚଟା ଅପସନ ଦିଆହେଇଛି diabetes leisure children planets and traffic ଏ ପାଞ୍ଚଟା ଯାକରୁ ତିନିଟା ହଉଛି non uncountable noun ରେ ଯିବ ତିନିଟା ଜିନିଷ uncountable ରେ ଯିବ so please ଦେଖ କୋ ଅପସନ ଟା ସୁଟ୍ କରୁଛି କୋ ତିନିଟା words will come under uncountable noun diabetes leisure children planets and traffic so your countdown begins now children please type in A, B or C. All right. Now let me give you the right answer. The right answer is option A. Diabetes, leisure, traffic. गोटे बहुत easy hint होची to identify countable or uncountable. Countable संगे तमे A, an किंबा 1, 2, 3, 4 किछि भी गोटे number add करि परिबो. Uncountable संगे सेटा करि परिबनी. For example, diabetes संगे you cannot say A diabetes or 1 diabetes or an diabetes. Similarly, leisure संगे you cannot say A leisure or 1 leisure. Traffic संगे सेमती तमे यूज करि परिबनी. सो जोठी तमे ए एन किबा कोनोसी नंबर यूज करि परिबनी से सबु जाक अनकाउंटेबल नाउन रे आसीबो सो एठी हमर तीनटा ऑप्शन रु द ऑप्शन ए डायबिटीज लीजर एंड ट्रैफिक तीनटा जगह यू कैन नॉट यूज ए एन और एनी नंबर हेंस ए तीनटा होची तमरो अनकाउंटेबल नाउन ऑलराइट whereas children and planets you can always say a planet okay or 2 children 5 children so it is also countable or 9 planets all right so let's go to the next topic acha eiti chua mane tinta diya heichi tumaku tinita photos dekha jauchi gote hochi jam gote soap a gote tea so tame janicha already je jam hela soap hela tea hela eguda ସବୁ uncountable re jae so how do we make it into countable ketala ketale you can convert them into countable nouns so how do we do that for example soap okay you can say I bought 2 bars of soap 2 soap bars tamane mu dita sabun kinli then it becomes countable but when you say soap as such that is not countable 2 bars of soap mane tame dita sabun piece kinila so you're counting the number of pieces of soap okay so that is how certain uncountable nouns you can change them into countable nouns so you have to be very careful and you have to understand this point okay let us see few examples acha how do we convert jam jam hame janiche is uncountable you cannot count 1 jam 2 jam 3 jam so how can you convert into an a countable noun tamara options hochi 50 grams of jam 2 jam and a bottle of jam all right So your countdown begins now, children, and please type in the right answer. So it the right answer is option C, children, a bottle of jam. When you say bottle of jam, that means there is one bottle of jam. So se jam bottle ta becomes countable. So tame jam taku convert kardelo to bottle of jam. Jadi ho jam is uncountable, but the bottle becomes countable. Whereas 50 grams of jam is again uncountable. Kahinki na jam ta me weigh measure koruche je eta 50 grams achi. And as such, 2 jam is wrong English, so obviously it doesn't apply. So the right option is, children, a bottle of jam. Now let us see the last one, chocolate. Chocolate, we all know again, is uncountable. So how can we make it into a countable noun? 80 data answers, data options are right. So co-data option right, please let me know, and your countdown begins now. 1 second. All right, 80 children, the right options will be option A and B. D taka right. Suppose I say I gave 2 chocolates to my friend. So then chocolate has become countable. Kaina mu dita chocolate mo sanga ku deli. So ketata number hela, dita hela. So jehetu jodi ho chocolate is uncountable, mu ketata chocolate deli mo sanga ku, that becomes countable. Similarly, a bar of chocolate. I bought a bar of chocolate. Mu gote bar of chocolate kinli ka mane ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଚକୋଲେଟର ବଡ଼ ପିସ୍ ଗୋଟେ ବଡ଼ ବିଗ୍ ବାର୍ ଗୋଟେ କିଣିଲି ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ବଡ଼ ପିସ୍ଟେ କିଣିଲି so that again becomes countable. You can say I bought 5 bars of chocolate ମାନେ ମୁଁ 5ଟା ବଡ଼ ବଡ଼ chocolate pieces କିଣିଲି. But whereas 10 grams of chocolate again becomes uncountable କାହିଁକି ନା 10 grams is only the weight of the chocolate. You cannot say I gave 10 grams of chocolate. No. Okay, so jehetu you cannot count the chocolate in 10 grams, you can only measure it. Whereas when I say a bar of chocolate, you can always count it. Tame jodi dita bar kinlo tame count kari parucho 1 and 2 taku number dei parucho. So hence confuse habani, joti tamaro counting he paruchi count kari paribo sethi tamaro countable he jae, joti tamaro measurement kimba ojan asibo that remains uncountable. All right, children. Thank you so much. Ajiro session sarla iti. So we'll catch up again tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed today's session. Thank you for being part of Aveti. Thank you.